Hi, I am Fatina Bilamati Muhammad Azli. I am student 2. So today I will demo about RAM 2 in 1C. Arvine. And then we define array hello double width. Declare an array that holds 6 integers. Which means we reserve space for 6 integers, and then we declare 2 variables, which is total even. So this is the variable in based on the question, and total even is to store sum of even index, and then total odd store sum of odd index. And then we define message string for header based on the output given in the question. So because of the time, I will just copy and paste from the input in questions, and then I will replace. So this is for input, and okay, I will just copy paste from the question. Okay, next for this is for odd. So everything that ends with 0 is a null separator that will terminate the string. So now the program start in main procedure. This is the main code. So we will start with display the header text according to the output given in the question. And first we will display the header message using move edx offset message header and call right string, and then call crlf to create the blank line under the header. Okay. Next, this is for the input loop. This is where we collect the 6 number. Move ECX equal to 6 because we need 6 inputs from user. Then move ECX. So we use ESI to point to the array hello. And then for input loop, this is the same. We will display the message input using right string. And then input to the next line. I forgot this one. This is based on the output given. So we create the blank line after inputs are done. And then for this one, call to take user input and store it in EAX. Then we increment ESI by 4 because the double word is 4 byte. And then we use loop, input loop, to repeat until all 6 values are entered. And then for the move to the next line. So this one, next we move to calculate even index total. Move ECX 3, move ESI. So now we will calculate the sum of index, which is 0, 2, and 4. So we set ECX to 3 because there are 3 positions, and then we set ESI back to the array, and then we clear EAX using the accumulator. So this is for even loop. We add and then add current array to EAX, and we add ESI to 8, and then we will call the even loop. We repeat 3 times using the loop even loop, and then we will store the result to total even. Next we will calculate the odd. It will same step like this one. I will just copy paste. So this is for even, and this one is for odd. So I will copy paste and modify. This is so we need exactly 3 numbers, and we set ESI back to the start of the array. And then so for this one we will to add ESI with 4, so it will move to the index 1. Okay, so inside the loop we will again we will add the number in the current slot to EAX, and then add ESI to 8 and jump forward 8 bytes. Okay, they will skip the even index and land on the next odd number, and then this is odd loop, and they will repeat the 3 times, and then we will store it in total odd out of EAX into memory. Okay, so this part is for display result. This is for the last part, and X offset result. We print it as a header, and then call. I forgot to move to the next line. We will create the next line. So now we will print the even sum line. This will print the number stored in total even, and call the next line. So this is to print the odd sum line. This one is for to print the number in that stored in total odd. And then leave the blank space. And then that's it for the code. We write to end the coding. We will try to execute to build the solution now to see if there's any error. And I forgot to change to odd loop. Then we will debug. We will try to 25. This is based on the question 30, 37, 40, 43. Okay, that's it for my demonstration. Thank you.